Welcome to Lesson 3 of International Banking and Insurance. This is Professor Tefero from Port St. Lucie, Florida. And tonight's lesson is going to focus on the international banking competition for Chinese banks. Chinese banks are going to have a bit more trouble than Chinese insurance companies. The Chinese insurance companies will be able to partner with international insurance companies because there's only 2 or 3 major competitors outside of China for Chinese insurance companies to partner with. However, when it comes to international banking, there's quite a bit of competition for Chinese banks. So they will have a harder time than the Chinese insurance companies. Who will be the competition for Chinese banks internationally? Well, in Switzerland, you will have UBS, which is the major player in Europe. They control most of the banking that takes place between Russia, Germany, and all the other big players in the euro market. As far as Asia is concerned, the biggest bankers in Asia are the Bank of Singapore. The Bank of Singapore, people in Singapore just live to do business. Singapore is the Switzerland of Asia. Their international experience is over 200 years old. They've been dealing with the British Empire for 200 years. They understand Hong Kong Savings Bank of China. They understand Prudential Life Insurance. They understand international banking. So they're going to be miles and miles ahead of mainland Chinese banks when it comes to negotiating international contracts. It would behoove the 4 major banks of China to partner with the Bank of Singapore in this fashion because it's better to get part of the pie than none of the pie. So we'll see what happens. We'll see what takes place. Sometimes the Chinese banks like to go it alone, and sometimes they like to seek partners. Well, in this particular case, I think it would be wise for them to seek partners. Other players in the international banking arena would include the Bank of America and Chase Manhattan, JP Morgan Chase. They're going to be minor players, though, compared to the European banks of UBS and Singapore. So we'll see what unfolds in the future. But basically, the banks are going to have a much harder time than the insurance companies within mainland China. So this is Professor Tefero from Port St. Lucie signing off till next time. And everyone take care, and I'll see you then. Bye-bye.